Whether you're starting a project or deep into one, once you get in the zone, you don't want to waste time. For instance, say you're sewing something by hand and your thread runs out. Then you have to tie off, re-thread your needle, and knot the thread so the knot is large enough to not slip right through your fabric. Now there are a few different ways to knot the end of your thread, but they're not all created equal. However, there's a quick and easy way to get the perfect knot. I'm Melissa Case from Hat to Hem, and today, by request, I'm going to show you the quickest way to knot your thread. First, you're going to take your needle in one hand and the end of your thread in the other. You need to hold the very end of your thread between your thumb and forefinger of your dominant hand. Now, gently pulling the thread towards the direction of the needle point, wrap the thread around the needle 3 times. Pull the thread back towards the fingers of your dominant hand and pinch the thread between your thumb and forefinger. While pinching, you want to pull the needle through your fingers and there's a knot. If the tail is a little too long, trim it away. It may take a few attempts to get this right, but soon you'll be knotting your thread without even thinking about it, and then it's right back to sewing. A quick thank you to my patrons on Patreon and my Ko-fi supporters for making this video possible, and I'll see you next time.